Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Oakmont is a residential neighborhood in the city of St. Albert, Alberta, located just northwest of Edmonton. The community sits along the banks of the Sturgeon River, a waterway that has played an important role in the region's history for centuries. Today, Oakmont is known for its quiet streets, scenic walking paths, and views of the river valley, making it one of the most attractive places to live in St. Albert. The story of St. Albert itself begins long before Oakmont was developed. The area was originally home to Indigenous peoples who traveled along the Sturgeon River for hunting, trade, and transportation. In 1861, Father Albert Lacombe established a Métis settlement here, naming it St. Albert. Farming along the fertile river valley helped the settlement grow, and St. Albert remains one of the oldest communities in the greater Edmonton area. Over time, St. Albert developed into a thriving suburban city while still preserving its strong historical roots. The construction of roads and later highways connected the area more closely to Edmonton, allowing the population to grow steadily during the 20th century. Residential neighborhoods expanded outward from the historic downtown and the river valley, eventually leading to the development of modern communities such as Oakmont. Oakmont began to take shape during the late 20th century as St. Albert expanded to the north and east. Designed as a family-friendly neighborhood, Oakmont features wide streets, parks, and convenient access to schools and recreation facilities. One of the community's most notable features is its proximity to the Sturgeon River Valley. The Sturgeon River continues to be an important natural feature for the community. Flowing for over 200 kilometers through central Alberta, the river winds through farmland, wetlands, and urban parks before eventually joining the North Saskatchewan River. In St. Albert, the river valley has been carefully preserved and developed into a network of trails, parks, and wildlife habitats. Residents and visitors alike enjoy walking, cycling, and birdwatching along these pathways, especially during the warmer months. As you travel through Oakmont today, you're seeing a modern neighborhood built on land with deep historical roots. From its Indigenous heritage to the early Métis settlement founded by Father Lacombe, the region has a long and fascinating story. Oakmont reflects the next chapter of that story, a peaceful residential community connected to nature, history, and the larger city of St. Albert. With its river valley scenery, well-planned streets, and close ties to the history of St. Albert, Oakmont remains a wonderful place to explore and experience the character of central Alberta. Thanks for watching!